Hi, my name is Corbin.
Very good. Can you show me nice to meet you?
Nice
To meet
to meet
you?
you.
Very good. Can you show me how? Very good. Show me what? Show me where? Show me why? Very good. Show me learn. Okay, show me girl. Very good. Boy. Show me sister. Show me brother. Show me grandpa. Grandma. Show me love. Show me cat. Very good. Can you show me dog? Very good. Can you think of any other words I'm missing? The simple ones anyway. Did I say where?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah, we showed you where, huh?
Sleep.
Sleep. Yep.
Bedroom. Sleep.
Very good.
House.
Very good. Let me think. Is there any other words we can think of?
Christmas tree.
Very good. Alright, bud. Love you.
Love you.
Do you like learning sign language?
Yes.
You remember how to say like?
Like.
Can you say I like learning to sign?
I like learning
To sign.
to sign.
Very good. Bye.
Bye.